Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So here let's talk about copy trading, how it works. So basically we talk about this copy trading. What is copy trading?
Basically, here you copy someone's technique and you do trading by that. You give them your money to put in their trading, then from that you can make some profit or you can make some loss. Basically, in return, they take a small amount of copy trading fee. Here you can see that they are also recommending us to traders.
So I will just teach you how you can do that because there are some tips for choosing the best traders. So here you can see many traders.
Always check these things before selecting a trader. So here the first thing is ROI, return of investment. So here you can see that when they do the return of investment in 30 days, 9 days, 10 days, so it's best to go with the person who do return of investment in 9 days or 15 days. This basically shows us whether the trading will be long-term profitable or short-term profitable. So you always check ROI. Now the second thing you should check is drawdown. Basically, drawdown refers to the amount of money they have lost. Basically, this shows that if the trader takes a risk or not and how it's doing. It shows us how much money they have lost. So the more percentage they will have in this drawdown, the more risky they are to put your money in. Now here you can see that this invisible forever has really small drawdown as compared to the other traders. So always go for a trader with lowest drawdown. You can also see this feature called Sharp Ratio. This feature is new. This basically means that how much you can get a return of a risk. If a trader is taking a risk, then how much chances are there that you will make the profit. So the higher the value of Sharp Ratio, better are the chances of you getting money for the risk they are taking. But still again, don't put your money on the basis of this Sharp Ratio because this crypto market is really volatile and anything can be changed anytime. Here you can also see this filter where you can filter them on the basis of their ROI, their topics. Here you can see that which person are topicers. Here you can see here you have many options. Now you can see here. Similarly, here you can see the drawdown, their followers and their ROI. Now let's see the boosted trader. You can see that these are the boosted traders, and here you can also see the highest follower profiles. You can see here the profiles, and here you also have this lowest drawdown. If you don't want to go for risk, then always go for lowest drawdown. That was all about the leaderboard. Now let's go to all traders.
And here you can see some filters. So here you can select the ROI and you can select that for 90 days as well. And here you can go with 7 days.
And similarly, here you can also see their master traders rank. You can see here different traders. You can see here the cadet, the golden, the silver. You can select any and you can apply the filter here. Now similarly, here you also have master trader type. You can select here any type. And here you also have this country filter as well. You can see that. And here you have this top trader bandage. You can also select that. And similarly, here you can also choose the trading boots if you want to. And you can also choose here the available master traders. It's better to go for a coin with good ROI and lowest drawdown. So here you can see that this coin has really good ROI. So here I will just teach you how you can buy these copy trading. Now here just click on copy on which trading you want to invest in. Now here you can see all about this trader, the number of followers, and you can invest.
So the minimum should be 100. So let's go with just 200 here.
Now here they're asking you to choose the atom you want to copy. Here you can choose their USDD or you can also choose here their trading boot. This trading boot is new option, new feature of this Bybit. Here you can also write the trailing stop, like if you have put in 100, then you can go with 50 or something. Similarly, here you can click on more setting and you can see here the USDD and you can see here the trading boots and their settings. Here for copying you have two modes. Here you have this smart copy mode, where you can see that where you have to put the margin mode and other things. And here you also have this advanced copy mode where you can put in your fixed margin and this other settings as well. And here you can also select your stop ratio per order and you can also select here your take profit ratio per order. Now here for stop loss ratio I will go with 20% and for take profit ratio I will go with 40% or something. You can adjust that according to your own choice. It's better to apply that because it will help you from losing everything. After providing all this information, you can copy that. And here you can see all the traders. Now if you go to subscribe, here in subscribe you will see all the traders that you have subscribed. Now let's go to the leaderboard and here I will show you about this trader. Now here you can see all about this trader. Here you can see his performance in the last 30 days. Here you can also adjust that for 7 days. Now you can see the number of wins is 138 and the number of losses is 0. And here you can also see its other things as well. You can see the followers here as well. You can also see the statistics here as well. Now let's go and open one more trader here. Here now I'm opening this trader. Here you can see this trader's performance in the last 30 days, and you can also see the statistics for that. Similarly, here you can also see their 7 days performance. You can see here is ROI is doing really great. You can see the win rate here as well, and you can also see its maximum drawdown, which is 1.53. Maximum 1.53 is much better. And here you can also see its number of wins and loss. If a person has no loss, then also it's really a red flag. Here you can also see the loss and the profit. Now if you compare the loss with the profit, it's much less. You can see that here. Similarly, here you can also see the earning. You can see the statistics for earning, trader and boot as well. You can see that. And here you can also see its total number of followers. You can see here the number of followers and when they have joined it. And here you can also subscribe that by clicking on subscribe on the top of copy. And you can also copy that by simply clicking on copy. Now you have to follow the same process that I have teach you before. And that was all about how you can use this copy trading in Bybit. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.